Okay, so that's up and running. And Taylor, did you want to call Amanda to the stand for the? No,
Yes, I
it's
can
okay if
do
you
that.
don't. It's up to you. Give me like, oh, someone's joining. Oh, no, it's Laura. We got someone. No, just have. It's up to you however you want to do it. We can call Amanda for the first one, and then the other ones we can kind of just go over the idea that they're not here in the
Yeah,
early.
that sounds good to me. Whatever makes the most sense in terms of expediency.
Yeah. Okay. It gives you some experience with that too. So,
Yeah, since we really only have one that remains a non-filer, I think that makes sense.
all right. Well, it is time to get started. So let's get uh, let's get started here. This is uh, hearing involving several water utilities here, and the docket numbers I can provide. Let's see. So we have 955 WI 100, 1535 WI 101, 2320 WI 100, and 2700 WI 101. All these utilities at some point before we issued a notice of hearing had not filed an annual report for 2024. So we did go ahead and notice those hearings. And you will see during the course of the hearing that all but one has filed their annual report. So the hearing really only involves substantively the Village of Cascade, which would be docket 9955 WI 100. So it's their an investigation into the village's failure to submit a 2024 annual PSC annual report. Um, so my name is Michael Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. And we have commission staff in attendance, and no utility has joined us yet, including Cascade. So just so you know, what we're here to do today is create the record in the case. That'll be the documents we identify and verify under oath, as well as any comments we get from the utility, commission staff, and members of the public that join us before we adjourn. We are collecting public comments in all five dockets, five, correct? Five dockets, up until Wednesday, October 15th, and the process for submitting a written comment is in our notice of hearing. Basically, either going to our website, using the link we provided, or mailing the comment to us. I believe that at this time, there are no comments in any of the five dockets, no public comments filed. But we'll continue to accept those up until the deadline. What we do with the records we provide it to the decision maker. In this case, the commission is deciding the case, so they'll go up to the commission. Commission will review the record and will, at least in the Cascade docket, I don't know the process for the other four may be slightly different, but the commission will review the record in the dockets and issue a decision. The final decision will be posted on the commission's website and emailed to the utility. So we can proceed with Cascade now. So we do have commission staff here, including commission staff attorney Taylor Sewell. So if you want to call our witness, and we'll proceed with the hearing.
Yes, I will call to the stand Amanda Slater on behalf of the Public Service Commission of Wisconsin staff.
All right, so I see Amanda there. Raise your right hand. I'll swear you in. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, go ahead, Taylor, with your questions.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Slater, could you please state your name for the record and spell your last name?
Amanda Slater, Slater.
And what is your position at the Public Service Commission of Wisconsin?
I am a public utility auditor in the Division of Water Utility Regulation and Analysis.
And how are you involved in this docket?
I am the case coordinator.
Did you file or cause to be filed the 2024 annual report failure to file letters exhibit in this docket?
Yes.
Could you please summarize the contents of that exhibit for the record?
It would include the late file letter, the failure to file letter, as well as the certified mail receipts.
And are the statements and representations in that exhibit true and correct?
Yes,
And witness Slater, no one from the utility is here today. Is that correct?
correct.
What communications, if any, have you had with the utility up to this point?
I got a call from Kayla Simonovsky, their interim clerk, last week, and she was unable to attend the hearing, but she did upload a response.
And has the Cascade Water Utility filed a report to date?
No.
I have no further questions of this witness, Your Honor.
Okay, thanks very much. So I guess we're in a little bit of a tricky situation here because we did have a filing from the utility, but no member of the utility is here to verify that document. I don't know if Amanda, if you have any information as to the contents of that document, if you could verify if it's something that Kayla Simonowski told you when you spoke to her, maybe you could just describe what she said there, but we won't be able to receive the document itself unless it's verified. So if there's anything you can provide to inform the commission about the utility's position to the extent you know that.
Yep. Kayla informed me that she stopped being the clerk there at the end of 2023. And since then, they have not been able to find an adequate replacement for her. It sounds like now she is back and has realized that they are non-compliant with this 2024 PSC annual report. And so she is moving as fast as she can to try to file it. She did ask for resources that we could provide for potential help in filing it. So I did provide her with information from the Great Lakes Action Community Partnership. They help smaller utilities in the state of Wisconsin, as well as provided her a list of anybody who was listed as a consultant for preparing the 2024 annual reports that other utilities have filed.
Okay. And I suppose and how would that impact the commission's decision if we were to get the annual report in before the commission reviews the record and makes a decision in the case?
Then it would be up to them to decide to close the docket if they were to file.
Okay. But we would inform the commission that the annual report did get filed.
Yep.
We do so before the commission decides. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So hopefully that's all we really need here. So we'll provide your annual report letter and to the commission as well as the recording here and any annual report that Cascade does file before the commission decides the case. We'll make them aware of that. Will the commission be issuing like a memo in this case for the commission? Is that the process we'll take?
Yes, generally the next steps is for a commission memo to go out. And that allows for a comment period, and then it is discussed at a commission meeting.
Okay. All right. Great. So memo to comment. Okay. Perfect. All right. Anything else that I'm forgetting here? Anyone want to add? Okay. All right. So we still don't have the utility connected. So at this point, we can end the hearing for Cascade, and we have a record for that case. The other cases that I mentioned before, my understanding is that the utility has these utilities have filed their annual reports. So we're not expecting them to attend, and we don't really need any information for the record here. I'm not sure if we want to enter the annual report letters into the record.
So we can do that.
Okay. So I don't know, probably the quickest way is just to let's just go through this as quickly as we can. I don't think there's really very much controversy here. So I'll just ask uh, witness Slatter to verify her filings here. So it looks like for docket 1535 WI 101, commission staff filed an annual report letter. Can you see that on the screen, witness Slatter?
Yes,
Okay, and you recognize that document?
I do.
Is it complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and then the additional information would be that the utility did file an annual report since that letter was issued and today. Is that correct?
Yes, they filed a report on September 24th, 2025.
All right, perfect. So we'll move on to docket 2700. Oh, well, wait, I want to do this in order here. We'll move over to docket 2320 WI 100, the Granton case. We see again the annual report letter. Can you see that on the screen?
Yes,
And is that document complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
yes, it is.
And when did Granton file the annual report? Do you know?
On October 8th, 2025.
Great, put you on the spot here. All right, and then the next one, I thought there was 2700 next. Okay, so for 2700 WI 101, again, we have an annual report letter. Can you see that, Amanda?
Yes,
And is that document complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
yes, it is.
And when did Iron River file its annual report?
They filed on September 24th, 2025.
All right. I'm missing one, aren't I?
Nope, that's it.
No, oh, I thought there were
Just
five.
4.
All right, that's good. Even better. All right, so I think we've locked that down. There's not a whole lot to give the commission here, but I think we provided everything we can. Anything else we need to add for the record today?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, great, thanks. So that's it. We'll adjourn now. So take care, everyone, and hopefully we won't have to do this again next year.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
take
you.
care.
Bye.